Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to pay Netflix with Nayapay. So let's get into the video. So open up Netflix and then log into your account, or if you don't have an account, just create an account. Once done, then you'll be on the page where you go to sign up for a membership or a subscription. So when you get to that section here, so where you have to choose a plan. So for example here, I'm going to choose one plan here, and then it's going to ask me for which, so I'm going to choose any plan that best suits me. So just choose one of these and then hit on next. So when I hit on next here, now here this step will ask me how do you want to pay. So if I want to pay using Nayapay, so I can do so by using my Nayapay Visa card. So to do that Visa card option, so select the credit or debit card option. So simply select that, and then here all you have to do is just provide the details of your Nayapay Visa card. So use your Nayapay Visa card here and then plug in the card details, and then hit on check this agree box here, and then hit on start membership, and that's it. You can complete the process. So that's pretty much it is. It's pretty easy and straightforward. I hope this video was helpful to you all. I'll see you in another video.